Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure your iPhone runs a compatible iOS and you have a live photo ready. Once confirmed, open Settings and go straight to Wallpaper so you can add a new wallpaper. Tap Add New Wallpaper, then choose the Live Photos album. You do this because lock screen motion depends on a live photo source. Make sure to keep the device unlocked while selecting so animations load correctly, and you can preview before committing to set it. Once in the Live Photos album, pick the image you want and press and hold to preview the motion. This verifies it's animated. Then use pinch gestures to move and scale, framing the action area where motion looks best. Toggle perspective zoom on or off depending on whether you want parallax. Turning it off preserves exact framing. Next, set whether to apply the image to your lock screen only or both lock and home screens. These steps control appearance and how the animation feels while you use the phone. After final adjustments, tap Done to set the wallpaper and immediately test it by locking the phone and long pressing the lock screen to trigger the live photo animation. If nothing happens, check accessibility motion and make sure reduce motion is turned off, because that disables many system animations. Also ensure low power mode is off. It can limit background effects. If the live photo won't animate, reselect a different live photo to confirm the file contains motion, corrupted or still-only images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.